Philippines. Gonna make my mascara run. What's going on? It's your turn.
Good evening, Tito Boy. Good evening, Bianx. At sa lahat ng kapamilya natin ngayon na nakatutok, good evening po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po sa oras na ibinibigay ninyo sa amin ngayon para makinig sa kung ano man po ang naging naramdaman namin at kung ano ang nasa isip namin bilang mamamayang Pilipino. Sa pangkasalukuyan, napakarami na pong nangyayari sa paligid natin ngayon. Mga pangyayari na hindi natin mahanapan ng solusyon. Wala po sa mga kamay natin ang lahat ng to. Pero, isa lang naman ang alam kong talagang hawak natin. Ng puso natin at ng isip natin. Hawak natin ang opinion natin. Yun lang ang alam kong meron ako.
Salamat po, Philippines. Thank you. Thank you, Philippines.
Please join me. Congratulations.
But you know what? Still, it's far from viral. If the numbers peak, say, at 100,000 by next week, wala. Hanggang doon na lang yun. And then after that, some other video will come along, we get engaged, we get affected, then we get inspired, or we'll start craving mad, or whatever. Ganun lang yun.
And then what?
And then, we will forget. They'll move on to the next big thing, the next issue, the next walang kakwenta-kwentang influencer. It's what we always do. It's what gets us through the night. Like maybe Adela is going to resurrect our long dormant potential. Maybe she will awaken the true heroism of every Filipino, and we will rise up and revolt and finally do something besides typing away or airing our grievances on our keyboards. You know, we'll do something real. Hey, don't worry, Helen. We'll all just go on. Enduring, engaging.
Thank you, Philippines. Please step to the mic.
Pantay-pantay ang lahat ng tao. Sa classroom may batas. Bawal lumabas o bawal lumabas. Pero pag nag-comply ka na bawal lumabas, pero may ginawa ka sa pinagbabawal nila, inayos mo yung law ng classroom nyo at sinubmit mo ulit, ay pwede nang pala ikaw lumabas. So kung wala ka namang nilabag na batas, bakit ka ipapasara ng isang NTC?
Well, thank you all. This is so much pressure. It's hard to win Miss Universe. Well